Hi guys. Let's start with TeePublic. Just like Redbubble, TeePublic, with his $4 commission for $20 t-shirt, is one of the print-on-demand sites using direct digital apparel printing, owned by the Busted Tees brand. The treatment time is usually excellent with size selection: women's 3XL, men's 5XL, children, depending on the choice of the client. Products ranging from tees, hoodies, long sleeves, to phone cases. TeePublic products are of high quality and offer a better price than most other print-on-demand competitors. We believe that their products are worthy of good quality and the buyer could only be happy with his purchase. TeePublic is a print-on-demand system that allows you to upload your artwork and sell it to the world as clothing, but also as a product. You can also become an affiliate supplier at TeePublic, which means you do not have to create your own designs to make a profit. You can join the TeePublic Partnership Program, where you will have access to the contents of the entire TeePublic design catalog, and you will be able to create your own showcase using designs already on TeePublic. Artists, sellers. TeePublic offers a wide range of products on which you can print your own creations, such as t-shirts for adults and children, baby items, strapless t-shirts, crewnecks, posters of art, stickers, fabric prints, phone covers, mugs, laptops, goblets, laptops. Many of these products offer different printing styles. TeePublic likes to keep things uniform. All products will have two different prices: a sale price, discounts and reductions in the first 72 hours, or all over the site, or when your product is listed on the rest of the products, and a regular price that will remain in effect. Profit margin of TeePublic. When you download a new design, it is put on sale through the discount system and discounts for the first 72 hours. He then stays on the site, always at an exceptional price. TeePublic offers the best rates and commissions for any design market on the internet. For a complete list of commissions, see the table below for more details. For the affiliate program, TeePublic offers a 31% commission to its partners for the sale of their own products. For example, to get a $20 jersey, you get $6.20. You can also earn 11% commission on sales indicating designs already on TeePublic. So what are you waiting for? Use TeePublic and enjoy it. That's all for today. See you in another video.